Hi guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to discuss about factory design pattern. What is factory design pattern? Why we need it actually? So to hide the object creation. For example, I'm developing some mobile softwares. Okay, so I don't want to worry about how the implementation was done. I'm developing a mobile. Okay, so I don't want to worry about how the OS implementation has been done. I want to inject some OS, that's all. Maybe it is a like Android or iOS, whatever it may be. Okay, so basically I don't want to worry about the implementation, okay, or how the object creation was happening, how the logic was there to create the iOS object. I do not worry about it. Okay, so as a end user I just want the object of mobile, so I mean object of Android. I just want the object of iOS because I am developing iOS application. Just give me the iOS OS, I can install it. Just give me the Android OS, I can install it. That's all I want to know it, right? So I don't want to worry about implementation. Okay, to solve this type of issues we are coming with the factory design pattern. What this factory design pattern basically will do, the factory is nothing but it's one of the class, okay, which will take care of creating the specific object for you. Okay, if you want the Android, you just tell that okay, I want Android. It will create the object of Android and it will share to you. Okay, it will take care of creating the OS for your user, your need actually. That is what basically. Okay, let's see some example. Okay, I already wrote the class to make it very short actually. Okay, so let's try to directly implement the main stuff along. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I want to create the, what is that, mobile factory, I mean OS factory. Okay, so I have one interface called OS, okay, which will have some spec. This is just a simple method I added. Okay, so I want to give the implementation of this OS into Android OS will be there. Okay, so I have a implementation of Android OS. Okay, so one interface I am giving implementation for Android, and I am giving implementation for Windows. Okay, and I am giving implementation for iOS basically. Okay, I already wrote the code for this to make it very quickly the videos. Okay, so that it can understand easily, because if you are writing the coding in the video, I feel that it is taking some more time, so that you will get maybe collapse actually. So I already done the basic coding. Let's see the exact logic part, how we are doing that. Okay, so basically the first step is creating the interface. Okay, so I want the OS. Okay, so maybe different type of OS. Android OS, I'm giving implementation of the OS. Okay, and I'm giving the open source OS is Android basically, right? Then I'm giving the implementation of iOS, so secure OS is iOS basically. Okay, and I'm giving implementation of Windows, the user friendly OS is Windows. Okay, this is just a in some method, maybe couple of method can be the, as of now just I'm going with the one method that is called spec. Okay, so 3 implementation is there. So what I'm going to do, so if my input is having, okay, so this OS factory is the class. Okay, this is the class which is help us to create the object. For example, my need is open. If I am giving open source, I want to open source OS, then it will give me the, it will return the Android. If I am giving the input as secured OS, it will give me the OS as iOS. Okay, as we are implementing iOS, Android, Windows from OS interface, we can directly give the return object as OS, right? Because the interface is fine, because all the implementation is that stuff. Hope you understood, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create the object for this OS factory. I'm not going to create the object for any Android, iOS or Windows. So as a end user, I'm going to create the object of this OS factory, and I'm going to tell that okay, give me the object of open source. If I give the open, it will give me the object of Android basically. If I will give secure, it will give me the object of iOS. Otherwise it will give me the object of Windows. Let's see how we can achieve that. Okay, so as I told, I want to create the object first, this OS factory. This is my main class. Okay, let me create a OS factory, maybe obj equal to new OS factory of, right? So what basically I need to do, I need to tell that what is the error. Let's see that syntax error. Okay, what is the object factory? It should not give me the error. Let's save this. Okay, after save it's gone. Obj dot, what is that? Get object. Give me the object of Android. Sorry, I mean open. If I give the open, it should give me the, what is that? Android, right? Let's try to save this into OS interface, right? So reference, what is that? What we can say? Reference equal to, okay, let me try to print this reference. What is that? Let's see that. System.out.println, right? Reference dot, what is that? What is the method we are having? We are having a method called spec, right? Let's see that what spec is printing. Okay, so the operator plus sign is error. Why it is giving error? Reference dot spec. String void. Okay, so it is actually what happened, the spec is having the void. Okay, void means why it is giving me the error. Plus sign is, okay, let me remove this. What happened? Reference dot spec, I have it, right? It is not giving error. If I put it inside this printout statement, why it is giving me the error? I'm getting surprise. Plus is undefined for argument type. Yes. What happened? It should not give me the error. Okay. So so as this is a void main, okay, so what I'm going to ref dot spec, let me call that method. Okay, I'm not going, I cannot print that. Okay, so let me call the method directly, because that is a void methods, right? So that is a void method. Okay, so we can directly print that. Okay, so that method, as I'm keeping the method itself system.out.println, that is what it is giving the error. So we cannot print the method itself, right? We can okay, so that is my mistake. Okay, so what we can do it, reference dot spec. I am just trying to call the method from here. Okay, so what basically I can run this program and let's see that it is giving the Android or not. Let's see, it is giving me the OS of Android now. If I giving the, instead of open, if I give the secure, it is giving me the iOS. If I give some dummy values, it should give us a Windows, right? So now you can see here, can I understand that I'm going to get the object of Android, or I'm going to get the Android object of Windows, anything? Can I see from here? No. We are going to create the object of OS factory only. This factory is deciding that. Just give me the input. As I'm an end user, I'm telling that, okay, I have a phone, okay, I have some phone, I want to install OS, give me the open source OS. So that will give me the Android. I doesn't know that it is giving me the Android or whatever it may be. It is giving me the open source OS, but that is Android. So that is the work done by the factory. Okay, so hope you understood. Let me quick it very shortly. So first we need to create an interface. Okay, so that is OS. So I am giving the implementation of our iOS, Windows and Android. Okay, so basically I'm creating object for all this into my factory class. Okay, this factory class will decide based on the input. I need to give the Android or secure or iOS or whatever it may be. So as this is a end user class, okay, here the guy will say I need it to open. Okay, if he is telling I need it to open source, then I can give it him and say Android, right? If he is giving secure, I can give the iOS. So the factory class is taking care of all this stuff, right? So this is called factory design pattern. Okay, so the object creation has been hidden actually. Maybe lot of logics can be happen. That logics has been taken care of by factory design pattern, the object creation and logics. Okay, hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Bye.